Hey there, industrial buffs and curious souls. Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the awesome world of next-level factory machines and mind-blowing tools that are changing the game. Come along as we check out their features, understand why they're so important, and see how they're totally reshaping the way manufacturing works. Let's get into it. Our journey starts with Barnshaw, a name that's become a symbol of precision in metal forming. Barnshaw's machines lead the charge in advanced metal bending, setting new standards with innovative products and engineering feats. The company specializes in creating complex shapes and structures, thanks to its ability to bend metal with unmatched accuracy. This unique skill is critical in industries like aerospace and automotive, where precise metal components are a must. Barnshaw is also committed to reducing its environmental footprint. By using materials efficiently, they minimize waste during the manufacturing process. The speed and efficiency of Barnshaw's machines significantly boost productivity in metal fabrication. While the upfront costs of this cutting-edge technology might be high, the long-term benefits, like precise manufacturing and less material waste, solidify Barnshaw's role as a leader in the metal-forming world. Now let's dive into the world of textile machinery, where we come across Imaj Hali Yakima Ma'ari, an innovator in the field of carpet washing technology. These machines are redefining the standards of textile cleaning. Imaj Hali Yakima Ma'ari brings advanced carpet washing technology that ensures deep cleaning while preserving the integrity of delicate fabrics. These machines are designed to meet the textile industry's demand for efficient, eco-friendly carpet cleaning, minimizing environmental impact through optimized water and detergent usage, aligning with sustainability goals. What sets these machines apart is their versatility. They're capable of handling a variety of carpet types, making them a comprehensive solution for manufacturers. While the initial investment may seem steep, the long-term benefits, like enhanced cleaning efficiency, longer textile lifespan, and compliance with environmental standards, make Imaj Hali Yakima Ma'ari an essential tool for any textile industry. Let's dive into the world of Faber-Castell, a name synonymous with quality and innovation when it comes to writing instruments. But what goes behind creating those iconic pens and pencils? Let's explore the clever tools and high-tech machinery that shape these precision-crafted writing instruments. Faber-Castell stands out for its unrivaled focus on detail and precision in the manufacturing of pens, pencils, and other writing tools. It's not just about function, it's about crafting the perfect tool, and that's where their machinery shines. These tools are designed with accuracy at every step, ensuring the end product meets the highest standards of quality. But that's not all. Faber-Castell is also known for its dedication to sustainability. They're pioneers in using eco-friendly materials and sustainable production methods, making sure that each writing instrument doesn't just perform well, but also minimizes its environmental footprint. From responsible sourcing of raw materials to energy-efficient manufacturing processes, Faber-Castell takes extra steps to protect the planet while still delivering top-tier products. This commitment to quality, sustainability, and innovation is what sets Faber-Castell apart in the competitive market. Customers trust the brand, not just for the reliability of their products, but for the responsible practices behind them. It's no wonder Faber-Castell has earned its place as a leader in the writing instrument industry, creating loyal customers and a lasting legacy of excellence. Sysma is leading the way in advanced manufacturing, showcasing its cutting-edge technology in laser systems and 3D printing. Let's take a closer look at what makes Sysma stand out. The key differentiator of Sysma's machinery is its precision. With advanced laser systems and additive manufacturing capabilities, Sysma machines excel in intricate tasks like engraving, welding, and 3D printing. These technologies are game changers, especially in industries where precision and customization are critical, such as jewelry, dental, and aerospace. Sysma's commitment to innovation is clear in its efforts to push the boundaries of manufacturing, ensuring that each machine delivers top-notch results. Beyond performance, Sysma also keeps an eye on sustainability. Their efficient energy usage and low material waste in 3D printing contribute to a more environmentally conscious manufacturing process. Efficiency is at the heart of Sysma's design, offering versatile and fast solutions that cater to a wide range of manufacturing needs. While the cost reflects the advanced technology, the long-term benefits in precision and innovation make Sysma an essential player in the world of laser systems and 3D printing. In short, Sysma isn't just keeping up with the times, it's setting new standards for what's possible in precision manufacturing. Let's take a deeper dive into DMS Design, a name that stands for cutting-edge industrial design and machining innovation. DMS Design machines are synonymous with versatility, reshaping how complex components are created. Built for precision and adaptability, these machines tackle a wide range of applications with ease, particularly those requiring intricate and detailed designs. DMS Design continues to push the limits of what's possible in industrial engineering, making a substantial impact across industries like aerospace, automotive, and medical, where precision is critical. The company also places a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability. With a focus on efficient material use and minimizing waste, DMS Design machines are not just about performance. They're about reducing the ecological footprint of the manufacturing process. Efficiency drives everything at DMS Design, from streamlining production to cutting down lead times. With cutting-edge technology built into every machine, DMS Design offers long-term value through flexible design capabilities and enhanced production efficiency. This solidifies DMS Design's position as a leader in both industrial design and machining innovation. Let's dive into Schunk, the name that's practically synonymous with cutting-edge clamping and gripping systems. Schunk machines are revolutionizing industrial automation, delivering secure and highly efficient work-holding solutions that truly set the standard. Known for their precision, these machines excel in various manufacturing processes, ensuring stability and reliability at every step. At its core, Schunk is all about securing workpieces with exceptional stability, making sure that machining operations run smoothly and efficiently. Their technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the accuracy and repeatability of these processes, essential for achieving top-notch results. But it's not just about performance. Schunk is also committed to environmental responsibility, optimizing energy use and creating setups that minimize waste. With its machines streamlining work-holding processes and slashing setup times, it's clear that efficiency is at the heart of everything Schunk does. And while the costs reflect the cutting-edge technology, the long-term benefits in manufacturing precision and operational efficiency make Schunk the clear leader in the clamping technology space. Let's now shift our focus to melting solutions, a game-changer in the world of melting and casting technology. Known for their high efficiency and reliability, Melting Solutions machinery is at the forefront of metal melting processes. With cutting-edge melting and casting technology, their systems offer precision and effectiveness in metal production, designed to handle a wide range of metals for optimal melting and casting results. What sets Melting Solutions apart is its significant role in boosting both efficiency and quality in metal production across various industries. The company places a strong emphasis on environmental impact, optimizing energy use, and reducing waste during the melting process. One of the standout features of Melting Solutions machines is their ability to automate and streamline metal production, making the process more cost-effective in the long run. While the initial investment in advanced melting technology might seem hefty, the benefits of improved metal quality and enhanced operational efficiency make Melting Solutions a crucial player in the metal manufacturing industry. To wrap up our deep dive into the world of incredible factory machines, let's turn our focus to Ballard Forge and their cutting-edge forging technology. Ballard Forge's machines are renowned for their ability to shape and mold metal with exceptional precision and efficiency. Thanks to their advanced technology, These machines offer highly effective solutions for metal shaping, tailored to work with a variety of metals, ensuring optimal results across different applications. Ballard Forge plays a pivotal role in enhancing the strength and durability of forged components, which are crucial in industries like automotive and aerospace. Their commitment to minimizing environmental impact is clear, with a focus on energy optimization and waste reduction during the forging process.